Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is the continuation to the last video as the lecture series of automotive engines and emission control. And then this video we are going to discuss about what is rich air fuel mixture, how it going to affect the overall efficiency of the SI engine during combustion process. In the last video, we have discussed about the lean air fuel mixture, and then how the lean air fuel mixture will going to affect the combustion process, and then what are the advantages and the disadvantages. Associated with the lean air fuel mixture in the combustion. And then this video we have about discuss about the rich air fuel mixture, where the air fuel ratio, as already we know that the stoichiometric ratio is the 14.7 is to 1, and then where the 14.7 is the quantity of air, and then 1 is the quantity of fuel mixture, fuel quantity in the mixture. And then where the rich air fuel mixture, the ratio of the air fuel is lesser than the 14.7 is to 1. So it is there is a more fuel than the less air in the mixture. So it indicates there is a higher fuel quantity available in the mixture, and then at the same time we have a lesser quantity of air when compared to the quantity of fuel available in the mixture. And then the advantages with the rich air fuel mixture is the increased power output. So in the rich air fuel mixture we have the abundant quantity of the fuel that is available in the mixture, so that we can get the higher amount of power during the combustion process, because we have excessive of fuel in the mixture. Means when the combustion process is taking place, the more quantity of fuel is starts to burn. So at the same time, while we are burning the more quantity of fuel in the combustion process, means at the same time we will get or receive the more fuel energy in terms of heat energy after the combustion process, so that we can get the higher or increased power output with rich air fuel mixture. See, the rich mixtures are used when maximum power is required. So this is the application where we require the higher or the maximum power in order to drive the vehicle or run the vehicle. Means is there we can go for the rich air fuel mixture, so that so that we can get the desired maximum power output, and such as during acceleration or full throttle condition. The extra fuel ensures that there is enough energy available to generate more power. So with a higher amount of or the higher quantity of fuel is present in the combustion chamber during combustion process, means so that we can have the more quantity of fuel is getting burning in the combustion, so that after combustion process we get the more our desired energy as a power output. Next one is the cooling effect. So the excess fuel helps cool the combustion chamber, reduce the risk of knocking and then overheating. As compared to a lean air fuel mixture, there we have the disadvantages as compared to detonation or knocking. So with the excess amount of air, it's to be presented in the mixture, means it will give, it gives the or it generate the excessive or extreme temperature inside the combustion chamber during combustion process, so that we can get the more nitrous oxide emission at the with the cause of the excessive heat generation in the combustion chamber. So with the rich air fuel mixture, we have the higher quantity of the air fuel is present, means so we get enough cooling effect with the fuel the lesser amount of air it to be presented in the combustion chamber. So next, the disadvantages uh, the rich air fuel mixture, the lower fuel efficiency. So with the excessive quantity of fuel to be present in the combustion chamber during combustion, where the quantity of air is lesser when compared to the fuel, means the air, it is not sufficient to provide the enough oxygen to make the or to completely burn the fuel in the combustion chamber, so that we get the lower fuel efficiency. So more fuel is used per combustion cycle, which leads to higher fuel consumption. So the next one is the higher emission. The rich mixers leads to incomplete combustion because of the insufficient oxygen to be presented in the combustion chamber, producing higher level of carbon monoxide and then hydrocarbon emission, as well as soot and particulate matters. So with insufficient the supply of oxygen means we get incomplete combustion, so that we get the carbon monoxide emission and then hydrocarbon emission. And then the application is the rich mixer are commonly used during a cold starts, when the engine is under heavy load, and then during higher acceleration, where the demand of power outweighed the need of fuel efficiency. So in that application where we require the more power means, we can go for the lean air fuel mixture. When we require the higher fuel efficiency, there we can go for the rich air fuel mixture. So these are the application and then the advantages and the disadvantages with the rich air fuel mixture and then clean air fuel mixture. Thank you.